Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. This is a channel for everyone and it is an open forum. Thank you for your continued support this far. Today I want to record to us a simple strategy to trade with. You can trade everything with it, as you can see the settings even before I explain anything. So to this setting, I mostly use it to trade volatility 25. Volatility 25. Volatility 25 with this strategy, it's one of the best. As you can see, volatility 25, we have a cross. Kindly pay attention to the end of this video so that you can get to know of the strategy and how it is working. I will give you the settings of the indicators in my trading, so be patient. First of all, I want us to back test and see how this strategy has been working. You see, every time the white moving average is above the others, every time you see the moving average, this white moving average, this one is above the red one, the yellow and the purple line, always look for sales. Look for sales in this index, the 25, the volatility 25. Look for sales. 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 You see the sales until this moving average will again cross the others, and now it is on an up trade. As you can see, the trade has changed, the market has changed its. We start by looking at M30 and see to it. You see M30, it is the moving average, the white moving average is still on the upper side of the others indicators, as you can see them, all the indicators. So here what we were looking for, was only for sales, as you can see. But now come here and see there is a change of character, or the moving the market is shifting. Why? Look at here, there was a consolidation in that area. The market broke it there, or you can draw it here because that was the high. The market broke it with this impulsive move. With this impulsive move, it retested it with this corrective move, and now the market is doing this way. As you can see clearly, that is what is happening. So to where the market is going from, the market is going to this area. As you can see, the white moving average is above, so we are expecting this market to come and touch this, so that as it touches this moving average, we will see whether we will add more buys or there will be a change of character, the shift in market structure. As you can see now, the market is making, this is a high, this is a low. We want to see this market breaking this high with that way, then it comes and retest it, then goes up. That is the anticipation that we are anticipating to this market. So we wait, we can place, as the market breaks this level, we can place a buy limit here, buy limit there with a small lot size. Don't be greedy, you will continue to add it. What is confirming us for more buys, it is this high, it is this high, yes, this high and this low. So if it breaks this high, it makes a highs and comes and form this is a high, this is a low, so it will form a higher low, and this is a high, it will form another high, high. As we all know, in an uptrend, the market makes these moves. A minute. In an uptrend, the market makes this move. It starts somewhere, let's say here, like here. Then it forms a high, then a low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. So until you see this, the market is in an uptrend. As we can see here, the market moved that way, came this way, it is now moving this way. We want it to break this level, then we see another high, we wait for it there, then that way. So V25, you can look for buys. So after now it has done that, we use our indicators. Our indicator number 1, there is this crossing here. Number 2, there is this crossing that is happening there. And as you can see now, if this one comes and closes the other one, it crosses the other one, like the white one, it will be this way. Then the red one will come and close it that way, the yellow and the purple. So from here we will be looking for more buys, because this is a strong support and resistance for the market. So I'll show you the setting for the market. Kindly do it on a demo so that you get to know how it is working better. We can back test. This is where the market started. There it broke this level, or this high. It broke that level. After breaking that level, the market started forming our uptrend mover. It broke this level, formed a high, then formed a low, then formed a higher high. Yes, formed a higher high, then came and formed another higher high there. After forming that higher high, we wait for a higher low here. This is what the market is doing. Let me draw it there. So it broke that level with this level. So it formed a high here, formed a higher high, formed a higher high, and then formed a low here, a higher low, a higher low, and the market continued. So you can see that this is M30, that is 30 minutes. Then another thing, you can see our indicator, the moving average, our strong support and resistance line closed that level. Then we see now here we had the first thing, this one, then we had this one, this was the first, this is the second, this is the crossing, here is the third. So we can hold our buys and the market continues uptrend. We can do a back testing, and because I don't want this video to be long, we just look at it here. Look at it here. This is again an uptrend. This is let's look for downtrend. Downtrend, we have the market broke this level with this impulsive move, then it retraced, formed a new low, retraced, formed another low there, here, then retraced, formed another low, and the market continued. So that is one condition. So after the closing of this, you know, if you are late, you now be looking for whether there will be a shift in market structure. So now that was condition number 1. Condition number 2, we see that the market closed here, the market, this red line crossed these lines there, so we could add another sell. The another condition is the white moving average closed all of them there, so we were sure the market is selling and we could only be selling that market. You can backtest and see to it each and every day. We see there are days where the market is raging, where we only have one condition that is met, so at that point you just do the scalping, like here you just scalp. Then it broke this level and it retested there, but it never broke that level, so it was not a sure buy. Then it broke, it failed to break this level, but it broke this low by forming another low. But here there is another cross. You see there is this cross 1, there is this cross 2, there is this cross 3. So you only, by then, you know the second condition of the red line crossing the purple and the yellow line has not been met, so you wait for it to be met. Look at it here, a fake out. This one was met, this one is met, and it just bought for a short time, then the market boom. So at such a scenario, what happens is if you happen to take a trade at this point, let me give you a clue. If you happen to take a trade at this point, yes, let's say you enter a buy there, let your SL be below here, that is the stop loss, and your TP to be at least this level. Because I don't want this trade to be long, I will record another video to show you the setting of my indicator. Thank you for watching. I will record the settings. Kindly subscribe, click the notification bell so that you will not miss the next video that I will upload concerning the settings of these indicators. Thank you. Goodbye.